Assalamualaikum to all, especially to everyone of this video and fellow audience. So before I start our video experiment presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Amirul bin Muhammad. Today we're going to show you two fun experiments that you can do at home. For the first one is solar water distillate, and second one is osmosis of concentrated sugar. The first experiment will conduct by me and my friends Hilmi. So we're going to show you what it is solar water distillate and give the description about the process occurred in this experiment with involved mass transfer. Okay, for the first experiment, which is the solar water distillate, what is a distillation? Distillation is process in which a liquid or vapor mixture of two or more substances is separated into its component fraction of desired purity by the application and removal of heat. Now I will show you how to do this experiment. So let's check it out, the equipment that we need in this experiment. First, we need large container to fill the water, suppose in aluminium. Then the small cup to collect the water that will fit inside large container. Enough water to fit at the bottom large container. Enough plastic rag to cover at the top. Mixture of grass. Last but not least, something small but heavy such as coin. And finally is sunny day. So we go more detail how to make this water solar distillate. First, fill the water at the bottom of large container. Try to fill not higher than 2 cm. Next, add some grass and mix it. This causes the water will dirty, so it makes easier to detect the contaminant in the water. Next, place the small cup in the center large container. Make sure it doesn't float, so the water cannot out easily. Next, place the plastic rag over the top. Then, place the coin at the top of the center of plastic rag. Check to make sure the center of plastic rag go downward. Finally, place the solar water distillate outside at the bright sun.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad and I will be the second presenter for this mini project. Okay, while we wait for the experiment, I would like to explain more about the mechanism, how actually the solar water distillate works. First of all, let's have a look at this animation. The distillation of water with solar energy is quite simple actually. Think about how nature creates rains. The sun heats and evaporates the water, which at the same time separate it from salt, dirt, and any impurities. When the temperature and pressure is right, the water molecule will form and return to liquid state. So basically, the concept of solar distillation can be described into two simple steps. The first one, evaporation step, whereby we remove the impurities, and the second one, the condensation step, where we collect the water.
Now, we are back to our project. Now, after a few hours, you will notice that the water droplet will form on this plastic wrap, and this was due to the evaporation process. You can see that there's steam form on the surface of the plastic wrap, and then the water droplet that forms will accumulate at the center and slowly moves down to the collection cup, which is in the center of the container. This is where condensation took place. When you remove the plastic wrap, you can see that we have obtained some water in the collection cup. This water is purely clean and you can even drink it. Nevertheless, I hope this experiment has been very educative and entertaining. Thanks for watching. Next, I will pass to my friend Syafiq and Amira for the next experiment.
University Kuala Lumpur nurtures technopreneurs for the future of the nation with its industrial-based curriculum, hands-on teaching and entrepreneurial orientation. University Kuala Lumpur, where knowledge is applied.
Hello, my name is Amira and my friend is?
I'm Syafiq bin Muhammad Aris.
For our part, we're going to do osmosis of concentrated sugar solution.
Okay, now we will ask what amirul and hilmi demonstrate before is easy, right? Okay, now let us demonstrate to you how osmosis of concentrated sugar work. First of all, let us see what is osmosis and diffusion.
What is diffusion? Diffusion is spreading out of particles of gas or solution from movement from high concentration area to low concentration area until the concentration of whole system is constant. While osmosis takes place when two solutions are separated by a partially permeable membrane. A partially permeable membrane lets some particles through but not others. Water can move freely through them, but others, such as sugar molecules, cannot.
This experiment, things that we're going to use is first, tissue funnel that have covered with cellophane paper, and second, concentrated sugar solution, and third, beaker or container that contain water. For procedure for this experiment, take a tissue funnel that have covered with cellophane paper and fill it with concentrated sugar solution. Okay, then place the tissue funnel in container that contain water, and then mark the water level of the container. Okay, leave this beaker for a few hours.
After 4 hours of experiment, what we can see here is the level of water is decreasing from the level that we marked up before. What happened here is the water moved into the distal funnel. In distal funnel contain concentrated sugar solution that is low concentration of water. The water moved from high concentration area to low concentration area through the semi-permeable membrane of cellophane paper. This caused the level of the water is decreased. That's all from our group. Thanks for watching. And remember, learn science by your heart. Thank you and bye-bye.